Hi you guys and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. So there's lockdown situation pretty much everywhere and very few of us are getting out. Only when we need to. Right. So but it doesn't have to be that sad because we can use this time to heal ourselves, and on my channel you're particularly to heal your skin and hair with me. Now if you're a subscriber to my channel, which I don't expect you to be because I have barely started on YouTube and my subscriber base is really not that much. Anyway, what I was saying is, if you are a sub, you would know that I make makeup tutorial kind of videos. But for the time being, I want to really focus on our skin and hair care. Both of these ultimately contribute to us looking healthy and beautiful, and not just makeup, right? Makeup is something that comes afterwards. For today's video, I want to share my recipe of exfoliating because we need to get all that dirt out of our skin. And for today's DIY, we are going to use two magical ingredients, which is curd and papaya. The lactic acid in curd, especially khatti dahi, improves uneven skin complexion and reduces pore appearance, and papain in papaya eliminates dead skin cells and minimizes fine lines. So many benefits out of just two. So for today's recipe, I'm taking 1 spoon of curd and this pisa hua papaya which I did on seal butter. I'm going to mix these and apply it all over my face. But before that, we have to make sure that our face is really clean, so probably get a face wash. So I'm going to mix this. So now we're done and we're gonna wait until it dries. So now this has dried up and we are gonna rinse it off. So I'll be back in a minute. Okay, I'm back and you can see my skin is visibly so clean, right? You know what, for best results you should try this recipe at least once a week and you will really see your skin texture improving. So for the last step, I'm going to pat it dry with a towel and then follow it up with a good moisturizer. That's it for today's video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, take a moment to and share this amazing recipe with your friends. I will see you in the next video. Until then, toodles. Bye. Stay home, stay safe.